Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation right here for you guys. I actually picked this up from Nars Beauty and I thought it'd be nice to share my thoughts to you guys. I've not done a review in a while, especially a foundation review. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this, black normal packaging like every other Nars foundation really. So I actually had the shade medium deep. It's called Cadiz. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, just like my favorite foundation from their from the brand as well. We try it together, we see how it works, and yeah, basically this shade Cadiz looks a bit lighter in my opinion. I was not quite sure what shade I was going for, but the last one that I actually tried from them was actually Macau, or I can't remember what the name is because I've actually put it with some of my foundation, so I really can't remember the shade of their foundation that I used to wear. But I actually opted for Cadiz, and I'm hoping it's the right shade for me. It has a pump, which is a plus, a bonus. Whenever I see a foundation with pump, I'm always excited because I hate spillage, and this would keep my foundation intact. Go ahead and apply the Laura Mercier primer right there. I don't have any Nars, primer before wearing your foundation. I know a lot of people don't really care about that, but I do. Light first. Let's see. This shade Cadiz looks lighter for me, but we're gonna ignore that and focus on the claims of the foundation. So if that makes sense. Wow, wow, wow. The foundation is really lightweight, and it's covered all my blemishes. I actually feel how lightweight the foundation is felt so lightweight on my skin that I can barely tell if I was actually wearing anything at all. Check out under my eye area how dark the other side is, and check out this side now. The main focus of this video is to share my thoughts about the claims of the foundation, if that is definitely giving that glowy look to my skin, since it's more or less like my skin but better. I am loving this. Wow. Yeah, it's barely there. It's barely there. You can barely tell if I'm wearing any foundation or anything like that. But what you would notice is the fact that unlike this side, there's a glow to this side. That's the difference. That difference is just major. I love that. Look at that. There is a difference. There's a difference on my skin. The glow is real. It's like reflecting, because I can tell that on the mirror right in front of me right now. I love this. Look at that. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that the shade is actually too light for me, or should I go a shade darker? I think, I don't know, like, you guys should be the judge of it, to be honest. I don't know, but in terms of how gorgeous the foundation is on my skin, I am loving it. Look at that. It gives that luminous glowy look to my skin, and that's exactly what we're going for. Like that my skin but better kind of foundation. I am loving it. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and apply the other side. Wow. This is giving me fresh. This is giving me my skin but flawless. I love this. I love the glow to to my skin, and it's just amazing when you want to go for that no makeup look. Really love this. I am a fan. Wow. just going to quickly finish my makeup, but so far so good. I am loving this. Let's see how the rest of the products I use in this video blends with this foundation.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
Quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this foundation. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the packaging is the same as their previous foundation packaging, but the only difference is the fact that this one is more glossier. It's not as matte as their previous packaging or bottle, if I may say. It's bottle, by the way, and it comes with pump, which is a bonus for me. But another thing I love about this foundation is the fact that it's very lightweight on the skin, guys. Very lightweight on the skin. It's barely there. I could barely tell that I was wearing anything at all. I also like the fact that when I applied the foundation on my skin, I could immediately feel that glow to my skin. It gives that gorgeous subtle glow to the skin that it's like my skin but better, if that makes sense. It also covers my blemishes. I don't know how they did that, but I loved it. I love the fact that I can actually wear this foundation alone without having to go all out for contour and highlights and all of those stuff. I love the fact that the foundation actually gives that vibe of my skin but better. And the thing I love about the foundation is the fact that they also have loads of amazing shade range, so you definitely find something for you or your loved ones if you're looking to buy this foundation for anyone or yourself at all. I love the shade range of this foundation, guys. Look at how flawless it looks on my skin. I am loving this. I love how everything I applied on the foundation blends well with the foundation without any line of demarcation whatsoever. I'm going really quick, I don't know why, but because I'm loving this foundation. Yeah, I love how lightweight it is on the skin, and I love the fact that it reflects lights on my skin. As you guys can tell, you can feel the glow on my skin without cakiness to it whatsoever. I love this foundation, and I think it's gonna be one of my favorites or go-to foundation. Another thing I love about the foundation is the fact that it contains skin loving ingredients. Like, how amazing is that? That was the more reason why I actually opted for this foundation. So I really recommend this foundation. And who would I recommend this foundation to? I would recommend this foundation for someone that actually wanted to go for that no makeup look, or you're the type that you like wearing makeup to work but you don't want people to know that you're wearing makeup, then I'll definitely recommend this foundation. Another thing I love about the foundation is the fact that I can actually wear this to work without people noticing me wearing makeup, except from the glow that is coming from my skin. That for me is just hands down the best thing that I love about this foundation. I love the glows it gives to my skin, and I love the fact that I can actually pair it with any other product. That's why the fact that it's a light, pair it with any other products without any line of demarcation or cakiness to it at all. Look at that, guys. Look at that glow. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but in makeup application goes really quick. I was like, wow, did I actually did all those steps in just less than 5 minutes? If the base is flawless, everything else goes well with your makeup. So that's one of the amazing things I love about this foundation. If you're looking for a full coverage foundation, this is not that foundation for you. But if you have minimum imperfection just like I do, then you can actually opt for this foundation for a no makeup look. And the fact that the foundation is really lightweight, it also covers some of my blemishes without looking cakey. I would definitely recommend that you guys check this foundation out. It's actually 30ml and is about £37 in the UK on Nars Beauty, so for 20% off. But even at the original price, I will still definitely opt for this foundation, and it's definitely going to be on my favorite foundation shelf, especially now that summer is around the corner. Everyone wants that, you know, flawless base and, you know, makeup no makeup look. Then yeah, recommend this foundation if you want no makeup look, if you're looking to have a flawless base without looking cakey, if you're looking for a lightweight foundation that will give subtle glow to your skin, if you're looking for foundation that would cover some of your imperfection without, you know, looking crazy, or if you're looking for foundations that you can wear without having to wear concealer or any other, you know, makeup product. I would also recommend this foundation for someone that is looking to start up with makeup, but they don't want to go overboard. They need that foundation that would give them that, you know, their skin but better kind of look. Yes, this is for you. I'll see how long this foundation will wear, and I would leave the details in the description box for you guys to tell you guys how long the foundation wear on me, if it creases or if there's any other thing that I really, you know, like or don't like about it. I'll leave the details in the description box below, because I'll be wearing it throughout the day and I'm going out. We'll see how the foundation wear, but so far so good. My first impression of the foundation is a must buy for someone that is looking to get that, you know, no makeup. For me, hands down, that's the best thing about this foundation. I really recommend that you go for this foundation based on the fact that it contains skin loving ingredients. Like, everyone wants to wear foundation that would actually protect their skin. Everyone wants to wear makeup that has amazing ingredients in them, because no one wants to damage their skin anyway. So for the fact that it contains skin loving ingredients, I would definitely recommend this foundation. If you're looking to try it, let me know. So that's my thoughts about the foundation so far. I'll leave the details of the foundation in the description box below. Please check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.